Now, all the units of this 3-bedroom apartment water-facing property in Banana Island is actually sold out. They all sold out for 700 million naira, and they were selling before for about 400 million naira. Now, you can imagine me presenting another opportunity to you right here by the same developer, where we have units of 3-bedroom apartments selling for 550 million naira, and you can key in with a long-term payment plan which is very flexible, trust me. Now, one of the things I'm going to be doing in this particular tour is to show you the already completed project, or like close to completion project by this same developer. You would definitely love to see it, so you can key in to the off-plan project that is currently undergoing construction. Join me on this tour. Let's go. Now, we are currently in one of the 4 bedrooms right here. It's a maisonette, and the finishing is actually done to taste. Now, the first thing you notice is this tiles is actually Spanish tiles, very, very exquisite and nice quality. And also the door is a very gigantic door, which is definitely luxurious. Then you have a lot of automated finishes in this house, which makes it really nice. You have a lot of automated features right here, which you definitely love. Then also the AC vent right there as well. Then you also notice this wooden cladding on this staircase, which really beautifies the whole space. But before we go upstairs, you'd like to quickly check the kitchen. So this kitchen is also well fitted. It's going to be coming with all the basic stuff that should be here, like the burner top, the heat extractor, the microwave oven, the washing machine, and whatnot. Then right here you have the boys' quarters. You can see. Then going straight ahead, one of the rooms downstairs. This is more like the guest room. So you can see the wooden feature for the tiles. And you also have your wardrobe right here, which is well fitted to the wall. And you have the toilet and bath, because all the rooms comes en suite. So we can from here go upstairs, so we can check the other rooms upstairs. So this is the lounge, and right here we have a room. So this is a room here, which is actually very sizable, and you have a balcony. So this is the balcony in this particular space. So you have like a very nice view of the whole estate from here. Come along. Now this is the master's. You can see how spacious it is. Then you have your toilet and bath, which is well fitted. The quality is really astonishing. I really love every single detail in this particular home. Then right here you have the last room. All the rooms are done to taste. Every single thing. We have just one unit of 4-bedroom left, which is selling for 1.2 billion. And remember, I'm still going to be showing you the off-plan by this same developer actually, so you can see what exactly it's going to look like. It's a very lovely investment. Starting price is 550 million for 3-bedroom apartment. In another 12 to 24 months, you can see the delivery coming out, and you can imagine what the prices are going to be by then. It's a very good investment, like solid investment. So let's go. Now, so this is where the site of this project is going to be for the off-plan project. So we have 3 bedrooms and 4-bedroom maisonettes. 3-bedroom apartment is selling for 550 million naira, while the 4-bedroom maisonette is going to be selling for 900 million, and you can spread payment for as long as 12 to 18 months. Now you have the flexibility of payment right here, which is one of the major reasons why you definitely want to key into this. And by the time the project is completed, you can imagine the 3-bedroom selling for nothing less than 800 to 900 million. Now you are looking at more than 80% to 90% returns on investment in less than 18 months. And also you are buying into the most luxurious neighborhood which is Banana Island Ikoyi. So you can decide to resell, you can decide to buy this property for rental. In terms of rental value, the minimum you can be looking at for the 3-bedroom apartments right here in this lovely area is going to be nothing less than 25 to 30 million per annum, which can definitely help you secure that on. Then also you can do short let, which will definitely be yielding nothing less than 400,000 naira per night. So a lot of returns are definitely waiting for you when you key into this property in Banana Island Ikoyi. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on the investment returns you are definitely going to be generating. Also, in terms of the luxury neighborhood you are definitely buying into, a lot of juicy opportunity are definitely waiting for you on this deal. You do not want to miss out on this. Dial my number so we get you the best deal on this property. You key in with about 40 to maybe 30 to 40% initial deposit, and you can spread balance for about 12 months. And upon completion, you are going to be smiling to the bank. Either you resell, or you use it for rent, or use it for short let. Regardless of what you're using it for, you are definitely going to be generating lots of returns on investment. Dial my number, call me. I remain Adeola Sanusi, your best real estate guide in Africa, providing you the best real estate opportunities for your returns on investment.